guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm basically going to be doing a day in my life on a Sunday. I will be cooking dinner. What else? I don't know what else I'll be doing, to be honest, but whatever I'm doing, I will do my best to take you guys along with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Guys, you hear that wind in the background? See that wind? Windy. Yeah, there's a lot of wind going on. But yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And yeah.
Changing, think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Where that you gotta change.
Guys, I'm gonna season up this chicken now. I can marinate for a little bit before I cook it. I'm gonna check these to see if they don't cook. Yeah man, so them are mash out. So seems like they're finished. Yep. And obviously my hand clean, so no need to worry about me mashing them out and putting them back in there. So that's good. Please cook. Breathe. Hear that? Guys. This is how this place has been for the past maybe few days or more than few days. Your wind. So guys, I just finished seasoning up my chicken. I think I might curry because my husband loves curry. And then I'm going to season up my peas to add my rice. So that's basically where I'm at with the cooking for now. I've been back and forth with the cooking and my laptop because I'm trying to search for 2 products to purchase for 2 persons. They asked me to purchase something for them online. So yeah, I might go to visit my sister in the afternoon, not sure as yet. Well, not really afternoon because after 2 no. But yeah, if I go to visit my sister, I might take you guys along with me. This is how my seasoned chicken is looking. That's how it's looking. So this is what I'll be using to season my peas: the Grace coconut milk, thyme, scallion and ginger. And I'm going to mash out the scallion and the thyme, not mash them out, kind of crush them a bit, and a little bit of maybe chicken season or jerk season just to give it a little bit of flavor because I don't want it to be too salt, and a little bit of sugar. So yeah, comment down below and tell me what do you use to season your rice and peas. Let me know if it's different from what I use. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Guys, so I added the Grace coconut milk, scallion and thyme, ginger. Ginger, there's somewhere in there. Can't find it now. Ooh. Steam and make it blurry. But yeah guys, that's how my pot is looking. Just letting it boil, look, coconut milk boil a bit, and then I'll add my rice to it. Oh, and I'm gonna add a little bit more salt because I had added some when I was about to pressure the peas. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. So added a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. As me know, I sweetie rice, so I added a little sugar. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's the ginger right there. Nice. Guys, I'm so sorry for how I held the camera in this section of the video. Sorry for the bad angle, but I hope you're enjoying the video so far.
Melt my heart 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼 Don't know what to say You are just like one spring
Guys, this is my finished dish.
걸 언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고
So dinner is served at 12 minutes past 5.
Someday you make my dream come true 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간
This is carrot and pineapple juice. So carrot pineapple juice. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. I might checking back with you guys later if I'm going by my sister because it's after 5, so I might not go, but we'll see. If not, then I'll just come back to end the vlog. Guys, so I'm basically going to end off my vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I really hope that you love this video, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.